High in the Himalayas, one of the world's rarest luxury fibers is born.
This fiber is warmer than wool and rarer than cashmere.
This is Tibetan yak wool.
Today, we go inside a Tibetan yak wool factory,
where tradition and luxury craftsmanship meet.
transforming nature's finest fibers into ultra-warm materials.
Yaks survive some of the harshest climates on Earth.
Only the soft undercoat can be used.
This process cannot be rushed or automated.
Limited supply makes yak wool incredibly rare.
The journey begins with gentle cleaning. Purity is preserved at every step.
Traditional methods protect fiber quality.
Fibers are spun into ultra-fine yarn.
Every strand is carefully inspected.
This is where comfort becomes fabric.
The result is unmatched softness and warmth.
Used in premium fashion and cold weather wear.
A true luxury born from nature.
Used in premium fashion and cold weather wear. A true luxury born from nature.
From Himalayan yaks to world-class luxury. This is craftsmanship you can feel.
What do you think about yak wool? Comment below and watch our next Luxury Factory video.